Okay. So, uh, we're gonna make some recipes probably today. Maybe some quests. But yeah, these are the recipes that are removed right now from the pack. Uh, yeah, and then registry. That's fluids and items that I've added. Uh, But where is it? Advanced recipes. Yes, those are some more advanced recipes that I added. Yes. Um, but we'll still need to make two. Two of those recipes we still need to make. For that's those are the final recipes. It's for the creative crate and the fluid tank. Normally they have no recipe, but yeah, that's something I want to change. Uh, so here, this is the mod pack. Here you can see a few of those items. Uh, but the creative crate, I want to start with that one first. Uh, Normally we should have creative crate, this one. Yes, so right now it's just creative casing, which has a recipe. Brass casing does not have. Chromium ingot should have one. Because I removed all recipes except for the ones that I added myself. Creative fluid should have a recipe. Lava, yeah, that's right. No, this, oh yeah, it's also used in that one. Cooling fluid, lubrication oil. Oh, they also need to be added. Yeah, so I'm working backwards. So like yeah, we're gonna make the final crafting recipes, and then we're gonna work backwards and adding those recipes, the recipes that are needed along the way. Yeah, because why not? But for the creative crates, some things that I want to use for that, like like a barrel, is something I think. Oh, after, yes, that's pretty useful because then we can see tooltips. That's with F3H. You can show that like barrel, Minecraft barrel. We want to do at that one. But I think there are others as well, like vault. Uh, Drawers is not installed, I think. No. So we're also gonna take a look through here. So barrels, chests, uh, backpack, backpack, uh, bu- 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 backpacks. And then we're gonna go for backpack. Oh, we can't add this, but netherite traveler's backpack. No, we're gonna just go for normal backpack. Traveler's backpack standards. Oh no, I want to get this one. Here. A B for the Minecraft barrel. Yes. Then we did also want the backpack. So that's a T for travelers backpack. I think it was just right behind each other. Traveler's backpack standard. Yes. Okay. Then C for. Oh no, we already used C. View because we want to create mods. So create. I think it's just create. Oh, I don't use anything of create. Yeah. It's just create and then item underscore vault, I think. Yes. Create item vault. Yeah. So those are a few, but I think instead of in the middle, that it will be, I don't know, like the create casing, not in the middle, but 2 full rows at the top. Like that. Top at the top and the bottom. This is the middle. Yes. Like that. All of the rest of them, no. Vault. Traveler's backpack. So I'm making this quite expensive. It's not really that expensive right now. But if we do that, save that, create. If I just switch, creative world shaper, no, but all of those we're gonna add. Creative gearbox doesn't do anything. Yeah, works like a works. Those don't add anything. Those do. Okay, so should be everything. Create a fluid tank, yes. Creative crate is there too. Creative blaze cake, yes. Creative casing is there. And all of the others, most of the other things that are there don't do anything. Okay. Creative fluid vessel, yes. Okay. So. Oh, okay. But the creative crate, let's see. Oh yeah. That's T and then slash reload. Cube.js. So here are also all the things. Oh, pack mode, what does that do? Oh. Recipe, no, reloads. And everything, yes, everything is reloaded. Okay. Ooh. That's not right. Yeah, those big squares, that's normal apparently with empty squares. Mm, yeah, the max size is 9 by 9. But I added backpacks in between travelers. Travelers backpack. It's important to use the right things because it doesn't even detect those mistakes. Yes. Okay. Yep. That's okay. Uh, I think it should be fair to add a few nether stars. I think we used them here. No. Oh, yeah, this is the recipe for the end portal frame, because of course you can make it. Uh, the beacon, yes. Yeah, it uses two of them. Yeah, this modpack does have custom beacon recipe. Uh, okay, it's a bit bigger, more expensive. Reload it. Oh, and yes. Okay, that's correct. That's a bit more expensive. Just a little bit more expensive. So yeah, that's also how I'm going over this. Like, okay, that's about that thing. Okay, how do I do that? The creative motor. That's yeah, I don't know why I use dragon heads. But yeah, generator coils, reinforced motors, strong motor extensions, creative casing. Um, This is not that difficult to make once you have dragon heads, because generator coils. Oh yeah, right. They have no recipe right now, but they were not that expensive before. Reinforced motor also wasn't that expensive. Uh, oh, yeah, quite expensive, but yeah. Creative casing, you need corium ingot, which is with the ingot mold, and creative fluid. Creative fluid is lava and iovender, cooling fluid, lubrication oil. Those are all still things that we need to make. Creative fluid tank doesn't have recipe yet. That this one. Creative fluid vessel. That's just a bunch of fluid stuff. Buckets, fuel interface. Fluid interface is also fuel tanks, fluid tanks, liquid fertilizer, cooling fluid buckets, just a whole lot of things. I added because why not? Oh yeah, and right, diving boots, diving helmets, because why not? No, I literally think that was my thought process behind it. Oh yeah, it doesn't have a recipe. Uh, onion. Oh yeah, that's something you can find. Oh yeah, that was because crying obsidian recipe. But creative key. Yeah, we're gonna work backwards. Why am I jumping all around? Creative. Create. So, can we add anything to this? Oh, come on. If I clear this and just scrolling through the here, seeing if I find anything that I might add. Uh, I backpack already added that. Oh, maybe. Not right here. Upgrade. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's something we're gonna add. Pep U, which stands for Travelers Back. And that's a netherite underscore T. Great. And we're gonna dot some of them around. Oh, uppercase use. Yes. Oh, but then I also have an ID. D4. Oh, okay. Diamond tier upgrades. Yes. And we're gonna add those around center and here in the middle. Yes, they are expensive items. They're the end goals, so why shouldn't they be expensive? Okay, I want to see this. It's still the wrong recipe. Now it should be the right one. Look at that. That's expensive. Or that looks pretty expensive. Let's see. No, oh yeah, and then we have all those items. Oh yeah, that's chipped. They all have no recipe right now. So that's here in removed recipes. Not mod. And I think you can just add a, that's something I don't know off the top of my head. But I think you can just add commas. Like that. Removing recipes. Yes, okay. Okay. I think we're gonna do it, try it with the array. And then adding a comma to and shipped. Like that. Okay. No. No. Oh, there it is. Okay, chipped. Yeah, it should reload. Because it's in the server scripts and reloads the server scripts. Strange. Maybe I didn't chip it. Okay. Then we're gonna go all the way at the front. Okay. Doesn't work. This doesn't work. Oh. Nope. Okay, so I was not right. It could also just be that I need to do those and then shift like that. Near shift. Okay, no. Or but comma. No. P- 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 Or it's just gonna be like this. Not. And then shift. Save. Like that. I need a shortcut for that. Okay. Yes, that works. Okay, and they all have recipes that are a bit fricked up, but doesn't really matter. No, let's move on. We wanted storage items. Those not. Maybe here. Those toolboxes, no. Vault, we used that one already. We could use some item silo. They are different items. Yes, we're gonna do that. And that is gonna be the S. And let's create casing, I think, is a item underscore silo. We used that one already somewhere, I think. Fluid tank. No. No. Handheld world shaper. Okay, that's the creative world shaper. I'm pretty sure. Creative. Yeah, that's the handheld world shaper. So we also. Oh, okay. Quad potato cannon and then creative flute dumping on top of that. Okay, that recipe is already added. Then let's check again and add some S's in here. The vaults, the V's, we used 5 of them. You know what? We're gonna add a casing back in the middle, and then we have 4 vaults used. So then we can do this. Yes. And then add a vault here, silo there, vault here, silo there. They are not expensive at all. If you're making this thing, you should have plenty of them. I mean, if you don't at least have 10, you don't even need 10. And if you don't have 10 at this moment, You're crazy. Oh, what did I freak up? Silo. Create connected. Oh, wrong mods. Create underscore connected. Like that. Should be okay. Should be fine. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that works. Like that. Yeah. And then we have 12 more spaces to fill in. They don't need to be filled. What gives the impression of a lot of space? As a vendor, you use them to make things. Come on. Ender chests. Yes. I'm gonna use that. Here, ender eye. And if we do it there, like that. And here, just like that. And we're gonna add them there. With a better recipe. Just like that. Okay. I think that's gonna be it for creative crates. And then the only thing we need to do is a fluid tank of the crate items. Because creative casing does have one. Creative blaze cake has one. Creative crate has one. Creative fluid tank doesn't have one. Creative motor has one. Creative fluid vessel. Creative key press form. Yes. Yeah, that's not apples. Yes, you're using them, and a lot of dragon eggs, and also a lot of dragon eggs. I use a lot of dragon eggs. The thing is, the only way to get more dragon eggs in this mod pack, there is no recipe for them. There is none. The only way to do that is to make creative crates. If you have creative crates, if you have one crate here, like that, you can put any item in there, and you should only need to make two, because you can do it like this. And then if you have a funnel, doesn't matter which one, even in survival, you can get infinite. So that's kind of the goal of the pack too. Like, you create this thing, you create all of the creative items, and you begin to make these final four ones. Like, you have a lot of creative things already, but creative key, you need a lot of stuff for that. If you, yeah, it's too big to even fit on here. And yeah, these are all the items that you need to make this with all the recipes that are currently present. Buckets doesn't have what? That's a milk bucket. A normal bucket. No, that's completely what? A bucket does not have a recipe. What? What the hell? I added a recipe. I didn't remove them. Not. Yes. Right there. Come on. It's not right. They should be here. Should be present. Because I use right thing way to do this. Not. Yes. Mm. But the chipped recipes are present. What if I add this thing here? Add one of those there, and then a not and double points. Save the thing. Because bucket recipe is important. Just like a lot of the other normal recipes. Okay. Oh yeah, I did also make a recipe to make fence gates. Okay. I am getting irritated. Mod Minecraft, yes, seems strange, but yes. That should do it. Come on. Oh, right, now. So if you put multiple conditions in. So I should just be able to add this one there, this one there, and that should be fine. And then for any future mods that I want recipes back for, that should be fine, like that. Okay. QGIS errors server. Can't find dev.lesbianmods.qb recipes event.js.remove object. Oh. Okay. So if I put this around this thing, and then add that one there, this should be fine. I have the Cube.js wiki open. Boom. Please tell me that is fine like that. Okay. Yes, that worked. That's good. But no, it didn't work. Oh, come on. This is not fun. So, let me get the VS Code. This thing there, I want this. So, Control plus, yes, Explorer closed, and this thing fully in view. So, why was my mouse moving? Okay, so it says here not mod, not this, and that's here not this condition. So here move any blasting or smelting recipes that output Minecraft iron ingots. So you have this condition needs to be met, and this condition needs to be met. Or this condition needs to be met, and this condition needs to be met. And you have those curly brackets around them on both sides. Yes. So there's the curly brackets around the knots, because you have that. So here it's all recipes, moving all recipes. That grants stone, so where the output is stone, except for the null. So not. I want not Minecraft. Like here you have farmers from Farmer's Delight. Those are not removed. And Farmer's Delight is installed, I think. Farmer's Delight, like that, it's in front. Why? Why does it always need to be this difficult? I wanted to remove all recipes so I could build up from nothing. And then continue onwards. But yeah, it doesn't seem to like that very much. Come on. So, let's check again. Or it could be possible that we just need to replace those square brackets with curly brackets. Yes, in there. What's wrong? Few problem expected that. Property assignment expected. Oh. So Oh, I did not add those. Coding can sometimes be fun. Yippee! Oh, there it is. Okay. Now if I remove that, still no recipe. Here not. What if I just go ahead and say nope, there needs to be one there. Like that. Save that. Okay. And then okay. Let's see if okay, chipped is not, and then oak wood does have a recipe. No, they do have recipes. Okay, that's something. Whew. Okay, that's one step forward. Let's see if it's like that. Okay, that's fine. If we then add those, let's see. Just add those, nothing else. Let's see if it works then. Okay. Yes, it works. It works. Okay. Then, only one of the conditions needs to be met. So it only needs to be, it needs to be not, oh, yeah, no, it should be here, I think, because it needs to be both not Minecraft and not, so both conditions need to be met. So all conditions to be met. Yes. So that's like this. You have condition 1 and value. With not, you have not and then a condition, but this is also that's also a condition. This part. So you can do it. You should be able to do it like that. Please tell me this works. Then chip. Okay, save that. Please, 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 please work. Okay. I'm gonna jump out the window. But I am quickly gonna go to the toilet and I'll be back. I need to make a view for that. I'm gonna add some text. Yeah, I didn't have anything ready for a break. Okay. Yes. Be like that. This should be fine. Like that. Browser. Like that. Okay. And then image. Yep. Okay. Browse. Oh, come on. Okay. I'll see you when I'm back from the toilet. Okay, I'm back. That's better. Okay. So, this. Thought about it a bit. Just gonna see how far we can go back. So this is how it was at start. Let's see if we just add a new no new remove one. Oh. Oh. There's one there too. Just like that one. No, not. And then another one of those mod double point and then shipped. This should be fine. Hopefully. Back to game. Reload. And there it is. This doesn't have any recipes. Those do also not have any recipes. Okay. I'm adding the chipped recipes back in because that's just decoration. Oh, what I could do, two conditions, one of them needs to be met. If I do this, and then mod chipped. And what's the problem? Oh, what? I'm just gonna see if that works. Probably not. Yeah, no. Like that. Event.remove. Yes. Invalid property ID. Okay. Yeah, my two brothers just walked by. But yeah, remove. That should work, right? Oh. If I change this to have those around it and these to have those around it. What's wrong? If I remove those. Yeah, no. That gives errors. I was so surprised by that. Declaration or statement expected. Okay. Yeah, and that's not gonna work. Gives errors. Okay. It needs to be if it's either Minecraft or from chipped. then and then not like I think that it's just condition is this is condition, like can have here it's two things or it's another two things, like here you have that, for example. So the condition is like this is condition, like mod is equal to that, or output and then item here. But I want to have two mods, and then not they need to be not met. If I put that's everything, right? Oh no, that's one too much. This is everything, yes. Okay, now it's only one that doesn't know. Why? Like, oh. You have an array of conditions with only one of them needing to be met. Because if you put if you put two nots and only one of them needs to be met, it's gonna remove Minecraft and chips and the chipped recipes too. That's something I just realized. But if both, it needs to be both not Minecraft and not chipped, because chipped that's chipped, so that's one condition not met. And Minecraft, yeah, that's Minecraft, that's one condition not met. So technically, by that logic, which as far as I can see is the logic for this should work. But that hasn't worked previous time. So now, okay. There it is. Okay. And then this doesn't work. So chipped works in that way. But Minecraft doesn't. And if we do it like this, I'll seriously be pissed if this works. Okay. Yay. Come on. I really don't like this, especially if the stream falls out a bit. Because this should work. Because this asks for 2 conditions to be met. Yeah, because here it's removed all recipes that output stone and are not smelting recipes. So if you remove all recipes for mods that are not Minecraft, that should work, you think? Apparently it doesn't. Fun. Yippee. Let me. I'm gonna do that and full screen that one. Basic recipes. Yeah, that is something I tried. For fence gates. It's oak fence gates, spruce fence gates, birch fence gates, jungle fence gates, copycat fence gates, warped fence gate. That should work, but apparently it doesn't. Maybe. Wait. Oh, yeah. So warped is not used. So if I use fence to fence gates, and then warp, this should work. Theoretically, that should work. Like, this is warped. Oh, this already has F1. Oh. Oh. I used it. Okay, so it works. You know what? I'm gonna, because I use it. I use it a lot. So Acacia fence gate of cherry. Fence to fence gate, and then mangrove. Fence to fence gates of dark underscore oak. Fence to fence gates of jungle. Fence to fence gates of birch. Yes, even birch. Fence to fence gate of and of spruce. Spruce and then fence to fence gate of oak. Just like that. Okay, so in here, these are all just some basic things. So if I save this, I should be able to do this. Give it a quick reload. Yes. And then this has a recipe, this has a recipe, this has a recipe, this one, this, 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 oh, bamboo, crimson, and those again. So bamboo and crimson. Before I needed to copy that whole block. Now it's just easier to type it out. Crimson. Save that. And there it is. No, that's... Yes, that works. Okay. Yeah, I did also add the one for chests with logs, because I always find it quite an easy recipe, because you can make more chests at once. And then I'm gonna add another let. Energizing equal. I need an integer called amount. Oh. Amount, and then input item and output puts item. And then like that. Okay. And then we do this. Like that. Amount, comma, input item, I I always seem to manage to do that somehow. output item. Just like that. Okay. And then we're gonna add an energizing, and we need an amount. Then that's 100,000. Okay. Then it's an item Minecraft double point smooth underscore stone, like that, and then another comma, and that's create underscore new underscore h magnetite underscore block up up just like that. That's a bit easier to understand, I think. Or at least for me. And I think I should be able, to advance recipes. I think there is energizing. Yes. To call okay, no. I thought you would be able to. Oh, maybe. Basic. Basic underscore recipes dot. Okay, no. Dang it. Because otherwise I could replace this with another thing with that energizing part, which would make it a lot easier. But yeah. It's just those removed recipe. You know, I save this file. So, no changes. I close that and I start it back up. Okay, now the cursor is fixed. Yes, that's good. Those removed recipes, it's irritating me. It's irritating me. It's not this mod and not this mod. Both conditions need to be met, right? That's what's visible there. But yet it doesn't do that. You have here event.remove. That's completely fine. That's normal. That works. Then you have this. Not those yellow ones. That's normal. It should be there. Purple. Purple. Uh, that's normal. Like this part says, okay, remove all mods. Oh, maybe I need to add this. No. That's message property assignment. And expected comma. Why? If I remove this, it works. It works fine. It works fine. Or should work fine. Yes, Nest has a recipe. This doesn't. This doesn't. This doesn't. This doesn't. But the moment I add another mod to that, it says, nah, I don't think I will do that. So how 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 can I fix that? How can I fix that? If you didn't notice, this is really irritating me. So yeah, that's this knot. It's normal. Uh, okay, so oh yeah, that's right. Like not an end condition. Well, I could do. No, I tried it, I think. Like the square brackets in here. Like adding square brackets around here. Yeah, that gives like you're doing something wrong. If I didn't add that, it's still the same. Go inside that and then pip mod double point ship. This should work, but no, it's sure wrong. I don't want these. I hate it. Or maybe I add curly brackets around that, comma, and then here and here chipped. Save that. Maybe that works. Please. I want it to work. Please. Okay. That's one good sign. And that's a bad sign. Very bad sign. Ah! So in that editing recipes thing, you have like event.remove in the cube on the cube.js wiki. You have just remove all items, all recipes, and that's just leaving that out would remove all recipes. So then I thought, hey, okay, but I don't really want to remove all recipes. I just want to remove a few recipes. Let's see if this works. This could work. I don't think it will work, but it could. I think it's gonna give an error. No. Oh, also doesn't give anything there. What about shipped recipes? For some strange reason, it still gives off the right thing. Cheat modes. Done. Okay. Survival mode. Fun. I like fun. But I'm not having a lot of fun right now. Why is this wrong? Oh. This is fine except for here. Yay! I'm having fun. I'm having fun. Yay! Is there a button to blue screen this PC? Ah. Okay, for now, I'm just gonna say, frick you, chipped. You can have no recipes. They should not be needed. Okay. That says recipes. They all have recipes back. Fun. Okay. Creative crate. Yeah, looks fine. Creative fluid ink. Fluid? There was already something with a lot of fluid stuff. I think. Oh, wait. I'm quickly gonna unplug my microphone and plug it back in. Okay, we're back. Just changed the wiring of it a bit. Okay, fluid. Like we have these. But you know, create a fluid in a bucket. Create a fluid bucket. Done. These crispies. Done. Here. These. Done. Let's cube just double point creative underscore fluid underscore bucket. And here we're gonna go all around. Whoops. What this is. Yes, we're doing it. Okay. Look, it's all equal to each other. And these are all like that, like that. And then F double point that comma you have the fluid tank and vessel V double point create underscore connected double point fluid underscore vessel. I think yes, and this is just create fluid tank. Create double point fluid underscore tank. No, F F F F F F. This is not expensive at all. But seriously, it's not expensive at all. And the vessels. And some nether stores. Oh. This is already looking like a fun recipe. Okay. Only 12 gaping holes to be filled with something. They don't have any use. Copper coil, no. Segmented display, nope, doesn't do anything. Reactor glass, core. Doesn't look like there is anything that holds anything. And then all of chipped skips by, which is a whole lot of things. Damn. Then here used most things. Create a fluid. Yeah. Crude oil. Wow. Oral interaction. No, but we're not gonna use that. Oh, barrier. Barrier. Slash. I'm just also. No, I need hair. Next barrier. One will do fine. Oh, it's just like normal barrier. Oh, yeah. It's indeed just like a normal barrier. Okay, so apparently I fell out. Okay. Haven't had that one happen before. Nice. Fun. Okay. But yeah, I'm back. Everything should be fine. If it doesn't drop, somebody else is using Wi-Fi on the network. I'm gonna close that. No, I said close. What else could be using? Let's see, speed tests. Because also a lot of frames are dropped. But I don't think my no, wrong task manager. Yeah, no, they're fine. CPU usage is fine. GPU usage is fine. So yeah, my PC is doing weird stuff. Okay. Let's save the recipe. Let's do reload, quick reload here. We'll create fluid tank. There it is. Nice, I messed up the create fluid tank. What a freaking modding, coding in general, fun. So much fun. Yes, better. It's a lot of casings. Yes. Yeah, no, we're keeping this recipe. We're keeping. Why? Why? Okay, but that means, I think that means that we have completed all of the recipes for the main. For the final items. This one uses lots. Let's create a fluid vessel. Oh. Why did I use create fluid? You have the create fluid tank and you have the create fluid vessel. Why in the hell? Create connected create fluid vessel. Hey. Cheat mode is on. Cheats. Control like that. Lava. I just put one bucket in. Okay. Yeah, that's something I don't really like. Like, can go bigger. Like right now, yeah, you can do this. Pretty big. Insanely big. There is a border. That's 2,304 buckets of lava, which is equal to an infinite amount, but world cheaper. clear cuboid attached. Just like that. I think I have no hotbar saved. But yeah, this is I can do like place a lot of things down, and then nope, I want them removed. What I could use it maybe for mechanical crafters. Place one down. Okay. You can pick. Oops. First bedrock. And then shift right click. 32 height. To 1. Oh. Fill. Oh, not completely. Like that. Spectator mode, no holes. Fine. We're doing this. Clear. Giant. Attached. Done. Gone. No. Caps lock is on. I don't want mechanical crafters. So, just so you can see the size of those recipes, it's 9 by 9 by 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oops. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Just like that. And then like that. Yeah. And I recommend for such recipes that you just put all of them downwards, except for the ones at the end. That's gonna save the most time. And then divert them all to the middle one, this one, and then you can put the barrel down. So I think to be same as the picture as the thumbnail on YouTube. It was a recipe for this, for the creative key, but that was a different recipe than it is now. I think the recipe that is used, that you see there, is this recipe. Yes. Okay. So, I want to fill in this whole thing. That visible top. Like that. Okay. I don't need cheap views. But creative key 4, no, creative key head. Crafting. Just a few items. Damn. Damn. So, some barrels. Oh, yeah, no, it was crates. Creative crates. Just like that. No more creative crates needed. And they go there, 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 there. Like that. Yes. World shaper. Okay. 2, 3, 4. In the corners. That's a pretty powerful thing to have in survival mode. Oh, there was. Oh yeah, the potato cannon. Enchanted apple. Wait, where was it? There. Yes. Creative casing in the middle, I think. Yeah, just in the middle. One creative casing. Right there. Some blaze cakes. Just a few. You only need 4. Wait, let's see. I'm actually curious. And if you go into survival modes, it doesn't use it. Ooh. So it's not burning. Yeah, this one. Then infinite. This one does also have infinite fuel. Wait. Okay, what else? Dragon heads and eggs. I know it's quite a ridiculous recipe. But hey, don't blame me. First modpack. Beacon. One there, one there. Crates. Oh, no. Oh, there need to be. I put the crates in the wrong spot. Vessels. The fluid ones need to be there. Ah, so, fluid vessel there, there. Fluid tank. Dragon head. Dragon X. Blaze cakes. There. No chapels. There. And there. Then. Whoops. Beacon there. Beacon there. That one there. That one there. Creative motor. Motor. They need to be there and there. And then thorium. And portal flames. And portal flames. Yippee. Like that, like that. Oh, no. That needs to be there. Just a little recipe. And then we're gonna do the same 1, 2, 3, 4 in there. 4. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nice. Yeah. recipes get crazy. Fast, because how many creative key had a recipe done? That's stupid. This is what I use for the fluid cuts. What? To be for real, I think the fluid tank recipe is better. It might use less items. That's exactly what I think is better about it. Because it's not that cluttered. So, then we're gonna copy those. Control C, Control V. And then this can also be copied. But then we change this to be a B, this to be, this to be, this to an N, this to be, this to an N, B, B, and oh. Outside, it's always been F, 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 V, V, space, 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 V, V, space, space. Okay, yeah, no, that's right. V, V, F, 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 V, V, space, 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 Control S. Okay. And then basic recipes. And then let's back and forth is equal to input item output item amount, and then we need a, and then it's a shapeless recipe event dot shapeless shapeless recipe. Shapeless recipe. Okay, event that's shapeless. And then that's item dot of, and then it is output item and amount, comma, input item. Input item. And then change it back in the opposite direction. Event dot shapeless item dot of input item. No, this needs to be amount. In here, so it's amount plus x space plus that. It should work. And it gives you 1. Comma. And this is just output item. That should work. Back and forth. It was a back and forth for right. That's for the here. Create connected fluid vessel. Comma. For this, it doesn't really matter which is the input, which is the output. It's create fluid underscore tank and 1 like that. That should be it. If I then save, go to here, it reloads. That should work. We can see there. Okay, it's reloaded. Didn't give any, and did it work? Why did it not work? Oh yeah, maybe I also should check for this. And that was magnetite block 1,000,000 smooth stone powered, and you will get magnetites. And the stream seems to be bad. That's my Wi-Fi probably. I don't have the best internet connection, and I don't like that. Fluid tank. This is fluid vessel. Let's see. This does have. That's where I went wrong. Creative underscore fluid tank. Control S, ask that. Oh, hello, someone is new is here. Yeah, we're just seeing if I'm not stupid. Okay, yes, that works. Oh, yeah. Those recipes are fully flipped. Yes. Okay. And here it's also flipped too. If I mark this as favorites, we can just... Hey. Okay. Oh yeah, that's because a bigger one, a bigger information box goes over it. So this is item frame. Item frame with that. Okay. Now I add a block create space for then angels. And then that block. Yeah, no, just items and fluid. A fluid. But assets, why I have here a fluid? Oh, fluid. Creative underscore fluid. It doesn't use it. Look, it just uses this texture. Which, I mean, does also look good. And my vendor. Does this work? Yes. Should I go in there? Probably not. Will I do it? Also no. I do want to try survive mode. Then there. Yes, that works. Yes. Whoops. Make inventory empty. Oh. Item empty. Item frame. Like that. So in this world, I think I'm also gonna add all of these statue things and continue onwards. So we're gonna have like a big wall of all of these recipes. So this is from create encased. And normally it's just for decoration purposes. But I saw it and I thought, could be fun. But I think that this is where I'm gonna end the stream. It was fun. We did some things. Yeah, we did some things. But we're not done. This modpack still needs a whole lot of developing. But we're gonna now add all of these changes. Oh, this needs to go there. Username cache, you are in the git ignore. Look, you are here. Yet, you still seem to find yourself always coming back. That's something I don't like. But yeah, we're gonna save those things and then we're gonna just say stream 5 10 2025 and then commit and push. Modless, that's just gonna delete. Okay. Oh yeah. But yeah. Thanks for watching. It was fun. A lot of fun doing this. So yeah. I'll see you guys next time. I might look around in the stream for funny things and upload those as clips and such on Twitch and upload them as shorts and TikToks, stuff like that. But yeah, thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys next time.